Hi everyone, I'm Tammy from Sitemate. Ensuring detailed documentation of tool inspections is vital for tracking tool conditions over time, scheduling maintenance, and ensuring compliance with safety regulations. Dashpivot offers comprehensive inspection forms and real-time status updates, helping you accurately track tool health and maintenance needs. Let's have a look at how Dashpivot works for hand tool inspections. In Dashpivot, you can create a hand tool inspection template from scratch or choose from our public template library, which offers many ready-to-use templates. I'll run a search here for hand tool to find the relevant templates, and then you can preview the format before adding this to your workspace, as well as customizing the format you see here once added. Now that you have your template, you can start filling out digital checklists. Our standard hand tool inspection checklist template includes fields such as the date and time of the inspection, work location inspector details, and the details of the tools in a table like this. We then have various yes/no questions for inspection and safety, and down the bottom we have inspection result, where each of the results have logic embedded so you can add more detailed descriptions on why they're in certain conditions as well as attaching the photos. Once inspections are completed or saved, these checklists are organized in a timeline view sorted by the inspection date, like this. All of these checklists are then compiled into a register automatically where information are viewable in a table format, just like this. You can use filters to search and narrow down for specific forms and then export these data as CSV or as PDF. If you need to adjust the format of the questions or the template, editing these in Dashpivot is straightforward with a user-friendly drag-and-drop system. You can customize the template to fit your organization's needs by adding new fields and rearrange them however suits you best. Conditional logic can also be applied to questions such as these yes/no checklists or the result list as we saw earlier to display additional fields based on responses. To manage your asset further, the list module here can be used as a database. For example, we have tools and equipment list here with various information. We also have a property called expiration date, where you can choose to be notified when a set date is approaching or when that date is already overdue. You can use this to set up inspection schedule so that they never get missed. All of the lists in your list library can also be linked to your template format as a drop-down list or multiple choice list to make filling out forms easier for you. Information captured within your inspections can also be analyzed further using our Analytics tab, which is available at both the home level and in the individual team level. For example, I've set up a dashboard for hand tool inspections and a chart to display the result of the inspections. Now, photos are crucial during these inspections as they provide clear and visual record of the issues when faults are identified. All photos can be found in the Photos tab within your team folder. Photo tags here can also be created and applied for easy filtering when looking for specific images. GPS location can also be captured when photos are taken through the Dashpivot mobile app, depending on your mobile settings. While in the field, you can use your mobile or tablet to conduct inspections. The app organizes checklists in a timeline view just like on the web access, allowing you to continue existing checklists or start a new one. Photos can be taken or uploaded directly in the app, where you will have the options for photo stamping as you can see on the bottom left corner here. Photo markup can also be done, as well as applying tags if this has been set up like we saw earlier. Once completed, you can share the inspection document via email directly from the app as a PDF without needing a computer. The Dashpivot app works offline and is available on both iOS and Android devices, making the inspection process accessible for all personnel, whether they're on-site or in the office. Our platform can be used for many other use cases and also integrates with external tools like SharePoint, Excel, Power BI through our integration product Flowsite, allowing seamless data transfer without the manual process. You can try Dashpivot for hand tool inspections today using our sign up link and let us know what you think. That's it for me for this video. Thank you for watching.